Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back. If you've been using Paypenny Wallet and now you're ready to transfer your funds straight into your bank account, you're in the right place. In today's quick and easy tutorial, we're walking through how to send money from your Paypenny wallet to your bank account in 2025, step by step. So let's jump right into it. First, open up your Paypenny app and make sure you're logged into your verified account. You'll land right on the dashboard where you can see your available balance. Now, at the bottom or side menu, depending on your device, look for the option that says Withdraw or Transfer to Bank. Tap on that to begin the process. Next, you'll be asked to enter your bank details. If it's your first time transferring, you'll need to add a new bank account. Just enter your bank name, account number, and the IFSC or SWIFT code depending on your region. Make sure all info is accurate to avoid delays. Once your bank account is added, go ahead and enter the amount you want to withdraw from your wallet. Be sure to check the minimum withdrawal limit and whether there are any processing fees. In most cases, Paypenny keeps the fees super low and the transaction is quick. After entering the amount, you'll be asked to confirm the transfer. Double-check all the details, then tap on Confirm or Proceed. You might need to verify with an OTP or biometric login depending on your security settings. Now, all you have to do is wait. Transfers usually take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, but in some cases, especially if it's a weekend or holiday, it might take a full business day. Once the transaction is complete, you'll get a confirmation inside the app and also via email or SMS. You can check your bank statement or app balance to make sure the funds have arrived safely. And that's it. Sending money from your Paypenny wallet to your bank account in 2025 is smooth, simple, and secure. Just keep your app updated and always double check your bank info before you hit confirm. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.